Hey guys, trying to burn a fire out here. Winds are about 20 to 30. They were 50 earlier, and it went from 40 degrees to 26. And it's gonna go down to 19 tonight, maybe 18. I don't know, it's brutal and it's crisp. So let's take a walk around. I'm not going to be able to sit down and discuss. See that? There's snow. We had a little snow this morning. Some of it melted off. This flash froze within 3 hours. Frozen again. And with the winds whipping and that cold weather, forget about it. My fingers are numb. I was able to get that gable end almost to the top. I got it sealed off, and I'm saving that little hole because I want to put a window in there. Just the extra light, if I can. So I got about, I don't know, 8 more sticks to put in there tomorrow, a couple over there, tie back the whole thing, ready for siding. You know, it's brutal. Right here, residual water, frozen in an hour. So I gotta be careful. It's getting cold. I can tell you right now, this ain't for the lighthearted. I'm not worrying about the fire no more. Once it's 5 o'clock and the sun starts going down, it's gonna get really cold. So, I'm happy and healthy. I'm surviving this thing. Once again, you know, middle of March, didn't expect get this stuff going on, but it is what it is. And I got the heater. Oh my gosh, thank God. It's about 60 degrees in here. However, it's a lot better than 26. Let me show you a little something. I was able to revamp this area. I got toaster oven, coffee maker, and everything over here now. Got an extra fridge for later. And it's all gonna work out fine. Got a little cleaning to do. But all in all, you know, the tool room's coming together. I gotta get that other Jenny fixed. I got a tremendous amount of materials that I can use for pieces. And I think it all is going to work out fine. I hope everybody is happy and healthy. Thank you so much for watching me. It's getting cold. It's getting brutal. And for the next 2 days, I got to get my stuff together. So have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon.